It was raining heavily on the highway, making the road wet and slippery. A truck was moving at a steady speed in its lane. In the right lane ahead, a pickup truck was also driving. The pickup was carrying a cabin structure loaded on its back. At first, everything looked normal despite the rain. But suddenly, the pickup started to lose balance. The load shifted due to the wet road and unstable weight. Within seconds, the pickup lost control completely. It flipped over along with the cabin it was carrying. The entire vehicle rolled into the adjacent lane. That was the same lane where our truck was approaching. The truck driver had almost no time to react. He tried to brake and control the vehicle. But the distance was too short and the road too slippery. The truck slammed hard into the overturned pickup. The impact was massive and shocking. Debris from the cabin scattered across the highway.